Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming essentials so you can act immediately. Open your verified account, enable two-factor authentication, and deposit the minimum required. This lets you place trades today. Once done, set a clear risk-per-trade percentage and pick your base currency to avoid conversion surprises. Make sure to save interface templates and preferred indicators so your workspace loads fast. You're laying the foundation. These setup steps reduce friction and protect capital, while you prepare to execute actual strategies. Now you'll move into execution with a tested routine. Choose an asset and time frame that match your style, then apply 2 to 3 indicators, a trend filter plus a momentum or volatility signal, and confirm setup on a higher time frame for context. Once signals align, calculate position size using your 1-3% risk rule and place entries with predefined stop and take profit levels. Make sure to log each trade entry, rationale, and outcome so you can iterate and refine what actually earns money. You complete the cycle by closing positions, recording results, and withdrawing profits when they exceed your reserve or target. You'll automate withdrawals where possible and keep clean records for taxes and tracking, because consistent bookkeeping separates hobbyists from earners. If things go wrong, first verify your KYC and account balances, then capture screenshots of errors and contact support promptly. Finally, review recent trades to spot recurring mistakes. Adjust risk, time frame, or indicator settings before you trade again to close.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.